Everybody's been telling me what they think about me for the last few months. Maybe it's time I tell them what I think about them. No mercy has begun. Ladies and gentlemen, Machine Gun Kelly. Fuck that. I was always hanging with the thugs at. I was always hanging with the rugrats. Someone come and show me where the drugs at. Someone come and pop on a hot song. You know my shit, get an iPhone, take a video and make a last song. Get some popcorn, cause I murder every single instrumental that I get on. And I'm motherfucker isn't gonna stop the shit until I'm making up, I'm like a Tupac-apocalypse. Till I'm feeling the Gotta concentrate against the clock I race. Got no time to waste, I'm already late. I caught a marathoner's pace. Went from addict to a workaholic. Word to Dr. Dre and that first marijuana tape. Guess I got a chronic case, and I ain't just blowing smoke. Blessings in your mama's face. I know this time Paul and Trey, they won't tell me what not to say. And know me in my party days have all pretty much parted ways. You swear to God I forgot him, but got it, mate, not afraid. One last time for Charlemagne. My response is late, it's just how long it takes to hit my fucking radar. I'm so far away. These rappers are like Hunger Games. 1 minute they're mocking Jake, next minute they get their stuff from me, so they copy Drake. Maybe I just don't know when to turn around and walk away. But all the hate, I call it walk on Watergate. I've had as much as I can tolerate. I'm sick and tired of waiting. I done lost my patience. I can take all of you motherfuckers on it once. You want it, everybody looking up. So I'm revolutionary like a Gandhi is. Till I'm popping all these bottles to accomplishments. So I'm always on no matter what the comedy is. So whenever somebody gets still a talkative, my name call up doesn't matter what the topic is. Didn't think I rap, bitch, I flow like boom boom bap. Bitch, I come from, we can never move that. Look into my room, get a view, look at my past. Goddamn, got weed, got check, got cheese, had that, got chili, got slash, got shrooms, got hash. Got full of syndrome, kicking, got mad, walked on the red carpet like kiss my ass, you bitch. I don't gotta hear shit. Ask anybody in the 216 if my name rings bells and them bricks. Everybody know who that is. What you hate, boy? You late, boy? You ain't heard about that great boy? 3-letter name called Cage Boy. Used to live right there up the way, boy. Man, you heard about him. You said the name. You signed the iTunes and clicked the play. You like the shit and you bought the shit. JD, you got it. Somebody tell Button before I stab, he better fasten it or have his body back and tip the closest thing he's had to hits of smacking pictures. And don't make me have to give it back to academics. Say this shit is trash again, I'll have you twisted like you had it when you thought you had me slipping at the telly. Even when I'm getting brain, you'll never catch me with a thought. Lacking with it, he ain't spitting like this on his last shit. Oh, you better go back and listen, you know me better. Thinking I'll slow a let up, call it track, cause it's a total setup. Hoping that you rappers falling that. Dre said hold your head up. Kathy Griffin stacking ammunition, slap the clip and cock it back on competition. This is how I shot ahead. Gabby Gifford, my attack is vicious. Jack the Ripper back in business. Tyler create nothing. I see why you called yourself a bitch. It's not just cause you lack attention. It's because you worship the 12 balls. You're sacrilegious. If you're gonna critique me, you better at least be as good or better. Get on the hood. I'm on a playlist right next to Jay. Yo, girl saw me outside the chicks and she disappeared. You couldn't find the bitch. Yo, horse start, you know what time it is. I put my dick in a condescend. Fuck boy, you lonely. Fuck boy, you phony. You would think these fuckboys fucking boys with the way that they be all on me. If it ain't EST in your mouth, then whatever you rep is corny. Got a new single without me on it, that shit boring. Bitch, I'm snoring, man, I'm touring every damn day. I showed y'all how to tone up. 100 J's in my ashtray, bitch, I showed y'all how to burn up. I sacrificed what y'all wouldn't give to these kids, and now you love fans. None of these rappers gotta move it. Tell them quit jocking my ass. And y'all can have the bloggers, I don't type shit. God gave me both these hands to fight me. What's up? Take a night quick, cause my right is like Vikings. My kids don't you wanna ground like Dyson. My kids go into the pocket with your license. Get a wallet and a couple dollars on night shit. Bitches all over my dick, that's priceless. I just fuck them up the wet like Pisces. Pisces, jealous of the bitch I'm with, cause they almost act like D-90s. Get it? Digest, every little word I'm spitting, cause it's food for thoughts, so pay attention. Better listen, I'm on a mission to kill enough all of my competition, and I'm doing with that. Then go with this motherfucker.